are quite rough.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I am so very glad you're here. This is my sister Hannah.
Hi guys.
And for today's video we are going to be testing out probably the world's hottest ramen noodles. We decided to get two super hot ones and mix them together. So here's me at the store picking all of these out. Okay. So we're at the store and we found all of the noodles. I think we're gonna get these ones. And cheap, and they look really hot. We're also gonna get this chili flavor and we're gonna mix them. That should be really fun. So let's just jump right into the video and completely die eating this. You know how to make these, don't you?
Yeah. Well, I normally make them in the stove, doctor. But
okay,
I guess we can make it.
How to do this. Disclaimer, I never eat ramen noodles. I've never been a fan of them. She does though.
I'm a college student.
She's a college student, so
I have to.
Comes with the territory. Okay, so instructions.
I think we need to make these only smell like ramen noodles.
Oh, really?
The spicy stuff's in
I don't like how it smells.
You idiot. Okay. So just pour it in there. Get 16 ounces of water in your bowl.
Get your phone out.
Okay guys, a little disclaimer here. I don't do so hot with spicy foods. If you know Buffalo Wild Wings, you know like all their flavors. After eating like 5 honey barbecue things, my lips are burning. And I don't do anything with buffalo or anything, so this is
gonna be rough.
Don't get mad if I eat one bite.
This is going to be rough, but we're going to try and not be dramatic so you guys can have an accurate view of how incredibly hot this is going to be.
But just know my tolerance level is very low.
My spicy food tolerance level is literally 0. I can't. Okay, so now we have
water.
Our 16 ounces of water. So we're going to
microwave them for 3 minutes.
So we got some milk. That might be against the rules for this video, but
it is. I don't think it's okay.
We're gonna get it because I know I'm going to die. So that's okay. With our reusable straws, of course, metal. We are saving the turtles here, people. This smells so hot. Don't get too close. And the chili flavor isn't even in there. This is just like the basic
spices.
Just like the basic stuff, you know. This little packet right here, look at that. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, it's not working. But this is like red. And I'm terrified.
Okay guys, we're gonna add the...
It's not gonna go.
I'm a beauty vlogger, just wait.
It's not gonna go. Just tell them what it is.
We don't have a good lighting setup, so that's why. But
yeah, we do.
I'm gonna add the chili flavoring to the actual ramen noodles. Oh my goodness, this is so spicy. I can already smell it.
Oh yeah. She's potent. Oh, okay, that's kind of burning my nose. Like actually, I breathed some of it in. Okay. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna start sneezing here real soon. Okay. The crazy chili sauce. That looks terrifying.
It doesn't say pull here.
It's like black.
This is the chili sauce. It looks like doo-doo.
I'm scared. I'm like terrified. Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty hot.
It's on the tip of my tongue and it's just getting, okay. Okay, it's not that bad right now. It's not that bad. I'm gonna keep going. It's really not that bad.
I don't know.
Okay, it's getting worse. It's bad now. Okay, I lied. Okay, we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna go in.
I don't like the bowl. The bowl that has all this green stuff in it. Don't try the tincture.
Okay. Oh, it's in my throat now. It's like traveling. Okay, we're fine.
I'm being wet.
I know. I'm getting more milk.
Get me some more.
Oh.
Where are napkins?
Behind you. And like once you stop, like it doesn't stop. It just keeps going.
Honestly, I think I'm doing pretty good.
I know, but
For like what I thought I was gonna do.
But it's just getting worse.
I need a chair.
You get me one?
I'm finna be here for a while. What's wrong?
Okay. So, I definitely would need some type of drink readily available because I couldn't without it.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. But it's honestly pretty tasty. Would recommend if you like spicy stuff and can handle it more than we can. If you keep it on your lips for too long, it really starts to burn. And if you like swallow it too quickly, it burns right here, like down deep. Yeah, the longer I like don't eat it and the less I'm distracted from it, it definitely gets worse. I feel it in my stomach. It burns.
I don't feel it in my stomach.
And like when I burp, it like comes back. And it's like hot.
My lips hurt the most.
My lips are starting to, okay. My lips are starting to burn too. Are we a food review channel? We should. Just eat around and make videos of it. I like that. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that fun little video of us hurting ourselves.
Anything for your guys' entertainment.
Of course. And we will see you next time. Bye!